check. This is the 4-burner grill. This can be used with the propane gas. This is how it looks. I mean, we have been using for more than few months. This is the stainless steel one. This is very easy to clean. So basically, we bought the stainless steel one. This is highly durable and easy to clean and looks good also. So these are the 4 burners and a side stove. This has a 60,000 BTU of fire energy. This has a storage too, and here you can keep your food items and also this propane gas, and it has a side stove. It can be used for saute, simmer, and warming your food. 4 burner, and this has a temperature reader. It has a heavy duty wheels that you can move around very easily. I hope you guys found this video very useful, and if you did, please provide your reviews in the comment section down below. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you for watching this video. See you in few weeks time. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Peace.